and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for another plan with me for the Happy Planner. Again, you can always use whatever planner you like. This is just an inspirational video with different theme ideas, and moving into my second week of fall, which is one of my absolute favorite seasons. If you didn't see last week, go ahead and check that out. Here is this week's theme. I thought it would be really fun to do fall-like foods. So different foods and beverages that just make me think of fall, and I found all of these really beautiful images off of Google Images that I'm going to use today. I also have these stickers I may or may not use. I have no idea where they're from. It says DC, and I do know that Dollarama does carry DC brand, and so does Michaels. So I'm not sure where these came from. I've had them forever. I may or may not use them. And then I have some fun washi here. So last week I used this fall leaf one here, which is from AliExpress. And then these other two here are from Michaels. They were part of their theme pack that I bought a few years ago, which they do still carry. So I'm going to use those. And I may finish off these stickers that I had used in last week's planner. I'm not too sure yet. We'll see how the video goes. If you are looking for other types of themes as well, I will link some of my videos from last year because I did a bunch of fall themes last year as well. So I'll link those below in case you're interested. And if you're new here, go ahead, consider subscribing. It is free, and I do post every Sunday. Plan with me. All right, guys, let's get started. I hope you enjoy this video.